In this video, we're going to talk about some of the item printing options in the FireFly POS system. I'm here at Configuration, Items, and looking at my hierarchy of my menu items. We can set a lot of printing options at the category. So let's take a look, for example, at our specialty pizzas and go to Printing. Okay, here you can see the available kitchen printers, and you can specify which printer you'd like pizzas to print to. I've got the pizza printer selected here. I can take that off or put it on using the arrows. I also have a couple options down here. Print included items means I'll print every topping that automatically comes on this pizza. If this is not checked, then of course any modified toppings would print, but the standard toppings would not. The inventory weights is an option covered in our inventory system. Print each item on a separate ticket allows you to create individual production tickets for each individual item ordered. The exclude size feature lets you specify that a particular size is not printed. For example, my slices. I'm not going to print those in the kitchen because we get those off of the slice bar. Okay, I'm going to skip the production timing feature in this video as that is very uncommonly used. Let's talk about the customer receipt. Again, you have the option to print included items, which you might not want to do on your receipt. We can also use our promotional message feature in conjunction with our printer ticket configuration. And then finally, if you have a box label that you're using, you can specify that here. Okay, now that was the category. Let's take a look at the item printing settings. They're pretty much the same as the category, and usually everything's going to default, so you won't really even need to look at this screen. But you do have a couple additional options, and that's to print a particular item in bold or in red on the ticket. This is great for extra toppings or things that are easily missed by the make line. Now if you add a new printer to your mix, you need to add it to every category that it needs to affect. So for example, I've added a cold line printer that I want all my salad items to print to. I can do that by editing each category, choosing printing, and choosing the cold line. Or if it's more efficient, I can do it at the printer setup area. I go to printers, select my cold line printer, and choose add to categories. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the salads category there. Okay, one more thing about printing. The order that you see your items here is the order that they're going to print out on your make line tickets. So a lot of restaurants like to have their tickets sorted in order of the make line. That's what this move up and move down feature is for. If I want to have all my meats together, I can move the chicken up, and then I can set the order exactly how my make line appears, so that when the ticket prints, it'll be efficient for the make line. When I'm done, just hit Save Changes. Of course, you can also do that with entire departments or categories as well. Okay, that covers most of the printing options. Don't forget to check out the videos on the printer configuration, adding a printer, and the printer ticket configuration, which go into more detail about how you can specify exactly how your printed tickets will look.